Hi guys, Retro Tech Paulie here. Right, on the 64, I'm currently out of the sling, but I can't really do too much with it. But I've managed to get all the keys off the C64 keyboard, clean it a lot better than what it is, but this needs a damn good cleaning. As well as the springs. Now, I think I remember watching one of Retro Man K's videos and he was saying there was 2 springs that were different. This is a really fine one here, but this one's a really thick one, which is for the space bar. So I'm going to keep them up there out of the way, hopefully. The rest of these look exactly the same, but I've got some which is concerning that they've got rust on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to soak this in vinegar, because that's the best thing for it. Not malt vinegar. Use product placement, obviously. Distilled vinegar, white vinegar, otherwise everything just turns to brown. So I'm going to let them soak. I've got no rush for this job anyway, so I'm going to let that soak in here for a while. Can always reuse the vinegar anyway, just filter it back out and put it back in the pot. Don't mind you bugger, there you go. Sure, I should have stood all them up, it'd been better. But yeah, I'm going to leave them for a bit. I had done stuff before, electrical contacts before, and left them soaking for a while in standard vinegar, fish and chip vinegar, and it kind of does work, but it just turns everything else brown. So that's good. That's not too bad. We'll keep that as is for the time being. It's going to stink like vinegar in here for a while now. So now I need to get these keys. These are absolutely filthy. I mean, my finger to start with, been pulling them off. Absolutely filthy, but I don't expect these to be clean. I don't want these to be clean. I prefer the adventure of making these back to as they should be. So they're going to go for the be cleaned. This needs to be clean on the top. I'm not stripping down, but I've also found there's a problem with one of wires. That one there might be cut, so I might have to redo that. I'm not sure I can actually get in to test whether or not the cable's solid or not, because the white cable goes, it's probably that one there. Might be able to get in just to check if it is or not. If not, it's not end of the world. Just noticed that there. Don't know what that is. Possible something leaked on this, because that key there was very rusted. The spring was very rusted, but it's on the opposite corner. Perhaps there's something underneath here. Perhaps I may have to go in here after all. But case is done. Right, that's the top side of the case. If you noticed before, there's a mark on here, which if I can get the angle right, the light come through. Where are you? I'm not sure you can see, but there is a dint on. I can't see myself. It's there, right where the shine is now. Side of it, there's a dint. It looks like where there's been, I'd say nail varnish. May have dropped on here and they've forgotten all about it, but it's not bad. It's a definite candidate for retro brighting, but it kind of melted into the plastic. I've got 1 or 2 keys in here that I've got a bit of the pink stuff on, which I will probably scrape away, but all these could do with retro brighting. It's not a very good day for retro brighting, so that will get stopped until probably, I don't know, spring. I've got my ST to do at the same time, so I'm going to leave retro brighting for another day. So let me go and clean this, and I'll see what I can do later on. Right then, cleaned, sort of as good as I can get so far. Right, keyboard base ain't bad. I'll give these a damn good clean. Pull the keys out. Yes, there is yellow in. I mean, the original colour is probably there. And that's the grease. Well, there's no grease on there. I mean, a damn good clean on them, but it is in need of a retro bright. but I'm not going to. What I recommend, leave this for an entire day, just let it dry out. It'd be easier in the summer, to be honest, but it ain't the summer anymore. That round. Oh, good. I'll figure it out in a bit. Yeah, I'm going to lay all these out on a towel over there on a table and get them all dried out. Springs are doing quite well. They're all in there. Still some bad ones there, but they'll come off. Dissolve itself down eventually. So no major panics there yet, so I'm going to leave them for another day as well as them for another day. So far, I'm just going to hold fire on it for a bit. See, there's no actual guarantee that this is actually going to work. I've never actually powered this thing up. So, I mean, the next step, the transformers. I'll give these a little bit of clean. To actually look inside, I need to break the seal on this bottom bit because it's not screwed in. But I do need to do something about... yeah, wait a second. That's really heavy when you can't lift out with your right hand. Let's have a look what's underneath the tape on here. It might have just have come out. I can just use some thermal tape on there. If it's being cut, then it means I need to get in and safely rewire onto the board. And this is the power cable. Yeah, it looks like it's just lost its outer. You can see that. Yeah, it's just been cut. So it's safe, or do I attempt to push it in? But still it's irrelevant because I don't know if these power supplies work. This one and the black one. So we'll check and see if they do. I mean, I'm going to take that plug off just in case. I don't know if it's rattling because it's a old plug or there's something wrong with it. But we'll get onto that and we'll cut back tomorrow with see what else there is on this. So yeah. Actually, yeah, I think we'll cut it off there. We'll do a quick cut there. I'm put all that, like I said, we'll put all these on a towel, get them dried out. That's done. Yeah, I'll come back tomorrow and have another go with this. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, bye bye. Drying keys, the best way to dry them.